In the last decade, technology has grown faster than most people can fully understand. Artificial intelligence is now capable of generating words, voices, and even entire faces that look and sound real. Among the most controversial creations born from this progress is the deepfake. The term combines deep learning, a form of artificial intelligence, with fake, meaning something that is not real. A deepfake is a video, audio, or image that has been digitally altered to make it seem as if someone said or did something they never actually did. At first, deepfakes were simply fascinating. People used them for humor, replacing one actor's face with another or imagining famous people singing songs they never recorded. The technology seemed like a harmless form of entertainment. But as it improved, the line between what is real and what is fake began to blur. Today, deepfakes can mimic a person's voice or facial expressions so accurately that even experts can struggle to tell the difference without specialized tools. This rise of deepfake technology raises important ethical and social questions. What happens when anyone can create a video that looks completely real but is actually false? What does that mean for trust in news, in politics, and in personal relationships? A convincing deepfake could be used to manipulate public opinion, ruin reputations, or spread false information in seconds. The power to deceive has never been so accessible. The core of deepfake creation lies in machine learning. Developers feed thousands of images and audio samples of a person into an AI model, which studies the details, facial movements, voice tones, and patterns of speech. Once trained, the AI can generate new content that imitates that person with incredible accuracy. The more data it has, the more believable the fake becomes. This process shows both the brilliance and danger of human innovation. The power of deepfakes lies not only in the technology but in the human mind. Humans are naturally visual beings. When we see a video, we instinctively trust it because it feels like direct evidence. For generations, photos and videos have been proof. They have captured reality. Deepfakes destroy that certainty. A single false video can spread across the internet before fact-checkers have time to respond, shaping opinions and emotions along the way. Psychologists call this the illusion of truth effect. People are more likely to believe something if they see it repeatedly, even if it's false. Deepfakes take advantage of this by creating realistic scenes that confirm people's fears, biases, or beliefs. Once an idea is planted visually, it becomes very hard to remove. Even if a video is later proven fake, the emotional reaction it caused may remain. The most dangerous deepfakes are those used for political or criminal purposes. Imagine a fake video of a world leader declaring war, or a business executive confessing to fraud. Even a few minutes of confusion could cause economic panic or violent reaction. In 2020, several governments reported fake news clips made with deepfake technology designed to influence elections. The weaponization of synthetic media has become one of the greatest challenges of the digital age. On a personal level, deepfakes can destroy lives. There have been cases where individuals, especially women, had their faces placed into explicit videos without consent. These digital crimes cause humiliation, fear, and long-term trauma. The law is still catching up, trying to define how to punish creators and protect victims. Many countries now treat malicious deepfakes as a form of digital forgery or identity theft, but global solutions remain unclear. The future of deepfakes forces humanity to rethink truth itself. In a world where any image or voice can be replicated, trust must come from new sources, not just from what we see, but from who we choose to believe. Experts predict that within the next few years, deepfake technology will be so advanced that ordinary detection methods will fail. The difference between real and fake will depend on digital certification systems that verify content at the moment of creation. Major companies are already developing watermarking technologies, invisible digital signatures embedded in videos to confirm their origin. Others are exploring blockchain systems that track the full history of a piece of media, ensuring it hasn't been altered. Yet even these solutions raise concerns about privacy and control. Who gets to decide what is real? If one company or government holds the power to verify truth, can that power itself be trusted? Beyond technology, education becomes essential. People need to learn digital literacy, the ability to question, analyze, and verify information before believing or sharing it. Schools are beginning to teach students how to detect manipulation, understand algorithms, and think critically about online content. The most powerful defense against deception is not software, but awareness. Deepfakes also challenge language learners and communicators in new ways. In English learning, for instance, students may soon interact with AI-generated teachers who look and sound completely human. These digital tutors can adapt to a learner's voice, accent, and progress. The question becomes not whether they are real, but whether they are helpful, respectful, and truthful in their purpose.